This song is called On Top. So it is A, E, G, A, E, G. Again, A, E, G, A, E, G. Then G, G. I'll play it for you first. That is G, G, D, B, A, G, 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 D, B. So the two parts together are the two parts of the first part go like this. Okay, second part, the first part of the second part is very easy. It goes like this. Then the second part of the second part is fun. It goes B, B, A, B, A, G, D, E, G, B, B, A, B, A, G, D, E, A. Probably the trickiest part for you will be D, E, A, well, putting them together. B, A, G, D, E, A, B, A, G, D, E, A. So you'll need to practice that lots of times. You can pause right here and practice that if you need to. Okay, here's the song.
Welcome to our story about a greedy princess who wanted toys to come to life, but no one had invented a toy story yet where this had happened. So she was ahead of her time, which was ancient. But when we say ancient, don't think we're in the dark ages. Let's take it to the setting and drama. That's the places where this goes down. That means where did it happen and who was involved. I think you'll find surprising the magical toy maker who made her a toy for every day if she promised to play. To her, it sounded great. She didn't want to wait to think about what would happen if there was a lapse in the time she spent in the playroom with all these new friends. Honestly, she only thought of one person. Who's that? I'm sure you can guess. There must be a reason she's called a greedy princess. Toys, toys, toys all over my room. But I can't stop thinking how I want something new. I want some new things, new things. I wanna talk about new things, new things. Where can I get some name brand stuff? I can never have enough to make me say now I'm done. That'll never be how I become the one and only princess on top. By now you know that I never can't stop. I really like new things. Kick back, relax, you're in for a treat. This musical we got for you, it can't be beat. We got drummers, ukuleles, and even recorders. And you got us, we're called the chorus. Up on stage, you'll see the actors. Together with the dancers, they could win X Factor. All of us came together just for one reason. A one night only musical crowd pleaser. Toys, toys, toys all over my room. But I can't stop thinking how I want something new. I want some new things, new things. I wanna get some new things, new things. Where can I get some brand name stuff? I can never get enough. Make me say now I'm done. That'll never be how I become the one and only princess on top, you know that I never can't stop. I really like you.
That last note was wrong. Oh, that's another song. That's Want More, Get More. Oh, yeah. Yeah.